Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alessia.
And I'm Axel. Today we are tackling one of the most common and sometimes scariest questions in English. Tell me about yourself.
It sounds simple, but when someone asks you, it's easy to forget your words. Today, we'll show you how to build a perfect introduction step by step through a natural conversation.
Let's start with the basics. Alessia, tell me a little bit about where you're from.
Sure, well, my name is Alessia, as you know. I'm originally from Italy, but I currently live in a small apartment in a big, busy city. How about you, Axel?
I'm Axel, and I'm from Canada. I actually live in a house in a very quiet, small town.
Now let's add some life details. Axel, what do you do for a living?
I'm 28 years old and I work as a graphic designer. I have a pretty big family, 2 younger brothers and 1 older sister. My parents are both teachers. What about you?
I'm 25 and I'm currently a university student studying languages. My family is smaller. It's just me and my parents. My mom is a chef and my dad works in an office.
This is my favorite part. Do you have any pets, Alessia?
I do. I have a cat named Doro. He's very lazy and loves to sleep on my keyboard.
Typical cat. I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever and has way too much energy.
To make an introduction interesting, you should share what you enjoy. For example, I love the color blue, and I'm a huge fan of Italian food, especially pasta.
I love pizza, but I really dislike spicy food. I can't handle the heat. My favorite color is green because it reminds me of the forest.
And what do you do in your free time?
I love listening to music and playing sports, especially basketball. You?
I'm a bit more quiet. I love painting and reading historical novels. It's how I relax.
Before we wrap up, remember these 3 tips. 1, keep it simple. You don't need big words to be understood. 2, be selective. You don't have to share everything. If you're at a job interview, talk about work. If you're at a party, talk about hobbies. 3, smile. Being friendly is just as important as your grammar.
Now it's your turn. We want to get to know you.
Practice your introduction in the comments below. Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you love. We'll try to reply to as many as we can.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.